Good morning, students. So today we will be seeing an introduction about PHP. So we will be seeing today what is PHP, what are the features of PHP. Mm, So what does PHP stand for? So PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. So basically it is a scripting language which will help you to develop both static and dynamic web pages and web applications. So it, as I told, it is a server-side scripting language, and most of our popular websites such as Facebook, Yahoo, Wikipedia, all are developed using PHP. So PHP is an interpreted language, therefore doesn't need a compiler. You can run and execute PHP code on any web server only on which a PHP must be installed. So PHP is a server-side scripting language, which means that it can be executed, it is executed on the server, and the result is showed on the browser. It is an open source and free. So what are the different features of PHP? So PHP is an open source and free language, so you can use freely, download it, install and start developing. It is very simple and easy to understand syntax when compared to the other languages. It is cross-platform, that is, you can develop on any operating system. Most of the popular web hosting services support PHP, and also the PHP is fast when compared to other scripting languages. It is also has a built-in function called as MySQL, which is used to connect it to the database management system. So what are the different uses of PHP? So PHP can be used to create web applications like social networks, e-commerce websites, and so on. It's a command line scripting language. So you can write PHP scripts in order to perform different operations on any machine. You can create different Facebook applications. You can send mails. You can also create or database in it. So what is the basic syntax of or basic PHP syntax? So PHP code, it starts with an arrow mark and the question mark followed by the PHP keyword and ends with the same, that is question mark and arrow. So all the statements should end with a semicolon, but the keywords. So basically PHP is a case sensitive language, but the keywords such as, for example, if, else, while, echo, etc., or all the others, print, are or not case sensitive language, and the PHP variables are case sensitive. Okay, so why do you use PHP along with HTML? PHP, as I told, PHP is a dynamic web page generation. A dynamic web page generation. So you can use a PHP script along with HTML in any PHP file, and the web developers can generate any dynamic web pages. So it is a server-side programming which will interact with the database to retrieve information, storing, email sending, provides content, HTML pages, and displays it on the screen.